Hello everyone who got lost on this incredible pump, and massive congratulations who was able to buy Bitcoin right here and right here against my forecast. In today's video I'm gonna talk about the new Bitcoin analysis and where I'm going to buy Bitcoin, what I'm going to do with my short position and which mistakes led me to this loss. Before we get started, I want to remind you that nothing from this video can be used as a financial advice. Let's start on the daily time frame of our favorite crypto exchange Whitebit. You can use the link in the description to register on this exchange. I will briefly remind you what I considered for the crypto market. I consider it the maximum target for this pump approximately at this green box. This green box is a 4-hourly imbalance zone. It's approximately $19,000 to $19,500. Moreover, if we take a look at the Fibonacci retracement for the last downside impulse, here was the 0.618 Fibonacci level, which is a natural correction for the wave 2. And I will remind you that here I consider it the end of the wave 4 of the bearish cycle. Here was the wave 1 of the wave 5 of the last wave of the bearish cycle, and here I expected the wave 2 end and shorted the market because I thought it have to show us the wave 3, the most impulsive crash. And when price broke through this level, I decided that this scenario was invalidated, but I didn't want to exit my short position on this incredible pump. I wanted to wait for the correction, and now I'm waiting for the correction to close the short position because I believe it's really possible. And if we take a look at the critical level right here at $21,400, it has not been broken still, but I believe it will be broken after a correction, or now I hope after a correction, of course. It will be broken because it's too much for wave 2 really, and it was too impulsive. It's not a wave C. Here we have not seen the wave 5 inside wave C, and I suppose it's wave 3 for the new bullish wave. And I think that here was the bear market end, of course, and here was the wave 1. It was with a small overlapping, but of course we can see these exceptions on the market, and okay, it was the wave 1. Let's remove all this stuff. In this case, it means that here was the wave 5 of the bear market end, and here was the wave 1 inside the wave 1 of the new bull market possible, because this is 100%, this is wave 3. It is too impulsive, guys. And if we apply the Fibonacci retracement, extensions, we can see that it has reached the exact target for the wave 3, and now I can conclude that wave 3 has been ended right here. Okay, it was wave 1, it was wave 2, and here was the wave 3, and now we have to wait for the wave 4 to enter the position, and there I am going to close my short trade. Of course, we have the maximum target for the wave 3 at $24,000, but I don't believe that we will reach it with the one candle. But to be honest, I have not believed here that we will break this level. Okay, and which targets do we have for this wave 4? We can use the Fibonacci retracement levels, and the natural target, I don't think it's here. I will 1 second. I will add the 0.38 Fibonacci level, and this is natural target for the wave 4, and I expect the price will show the retracement to this level. And here, after some sideways movement, we will see the new push to the upside, which will finally break this critical level, and it will be the sign that the bull market started and bear market has been ended. And also I can suppose that here will be the maximum greed on the market, and of course all these long traders which will be entering long position right here should be liquidated, and wave one, the entire wave one of the new bull market will be ended right here approximately at $22,000. And after that we will see the wave 2, which will be the pretty significant correction, and it could be approximately to this 0.618 Fibonacci level, approximately to $18,000. I suppose that we will see this price level again. If you have not bought Bitcoin right here, like me, you can wait for this target. And now let's switch to the local time frame. I will use the Fibonacci retracement again to find more accurate target for the wave 4. Let's switch to the 4-hour time frame. What we can see right here, we can see right here that we have the very strong support zone right here. This is balance zone. After that we have seen this impulsive imbalance candles, and I suppose that approximately at 0.5, this is a 1 second, this is a 0.5 level, of course, we can buy Bitcoin and altcoins at this level when the Bitcoin will show us some retracement. Maybe it will be after some push to the upside, but I don't believe that we will see the new huge pump. It's almost incredible, but everything is possible, as market showed me last couple of days. I was really surprised. And now I have some loss and I need to cut this loss, and I will close my short position only right here, or I will face with the liquidation. I have the liquidation approximately $22,600, maybe a little bit higher. And here I will close my position at approximately $19,000 and open long position. I opened a very small long position on this week. Also, I have 20% of my deposit, 23% of my deposit in crypto, in different altcoins and Bitcoin, and of course now it's profitable. But I've bought it right here. I took profit, as you remember, right here, partially, of course, and I have not bought here because I waited for the $12,000, 12 or 14, because there was the potential bottom in my opinion, but now I think it was the actual bottom, and now we have to enter the market on the correction to this price level, approximately at $19,000. This is my plan, and now I wanna also tell about mistakes which led me to this loss. And the main mistake was my self-confidence. As you know, I studied the trading Chow's approach, and if you remember, I gave you a lot of pretty accurate signals. I was really surprised how it's working. If you remember, I gave the super accurate short signal right here. After that, I gave you super accurate short signal right here. I called these two tops. And moreover, right here, I also correctly predicted almost all movements on the market. If you remember, I shorted right here exactly, took profit right here exactly, and it gave me super confidence, and I believed in my skills too much. It was a very huge mistake, and I decided not to use the stop loss. That's why I have this loss, and now I'm going to take out of position when the scenario is invalidated, and it wasn't validated obviously right here when we when we saw this unpredictable pump. because here was my first idea that market should crash from this level in the wave 3. After that I thought that it was the wave C, and it should crash from here, but it's continuous pumping, and now I'm in loss, and I'm going to fix this problem, to fix this mistake. And the second mistake was I was scared that I can miss this short trade, and right here I set the limit order, short limit order, before going sleep, and when I slept, the market hit my limit order, and after that the price has grown, and it has not gave me the opportunity to be out of market, to close my trade even in zero loss. And of course, if I have been observing this movement, I was not going to open short position, because there was no short signals, and it was no short signals here. It was just my belief that it should reverse. The bear markets should not be ended in this manner, but it did. Well, guys, I'm going to go back to books, and I'm going to test every paragraph of each book on the market, more practice, and I hope I will be the super successful trader. I'm not going to give up. Thank you for attention, good luck and goodbye.